Good morning, my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we are going to start a new work. Now you are in class UKG. You are big children now, right? Now you will do 3-letter words. What will we do? 3-letter words. Okay? And we will start with the sound of A. Which letter is this? This is A. Yes. And what is the sound of A? Yes, the sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. And today we will do the words of at. At, at. Words of at. See? And now I will show you how can we make the words with the help of at. See, now I'll show you some words, 3-letter words. See, 3-letter words look like this. See, k, a, t. It's cat. K, a, t, cat. Next is r, r, a, and t, t. R, a, t, rat. And next we have m, at, mat. M, at, mat. And yes, we have b, at, bat. See, all are at words. B at bat, k at cat, r at rat, and m at mat. See, we have done at words. Now I will show you in the worksheet how to write 3-letter words. Okay kids, now we will start the worksheet of the sound. It's written sound of A. Sound of A and the words of at. Words of at. This is at. And all we will do the words of at only. So look at the first picture, children. Which is the first picture? The first picture is of bat. Do you have bat? Very good. Do you play cricket at home? Very good. All know what is bat, right? All have bat to play. So this is bat. How will we write bat? This is b. B, b. Children, you will not read with the alphabets. You will read with the sounds. B, a, t. Bat. See, we will write bat. We will write 3-letter word like this. B at a bat. And you have to write it 2 times. You have to write it 2 times. This is B at a bat. Okay, which is the next picture? This is rat. Have you seen rat? In Tom and Jerry, Jerry is a rat? Yes, and he's very naughty. Rats are very naughty. So how to write rat, children? R, a, t, rat. R, a, t, rat. R, at. R, we will write R first and then at. How to write at? A-T, at. And you have to write it 2 times. R, a, t, rat. R, at, rat. See, all words will end with the sound t. So, you don't have to touch the T to the upper line. Okay, children, you will leave the T up to here. Initial sound is R here and the ending sound is T. Okay. Now, next picture. Which is the next picture? This is a cat. This is a cat. What is the color of the cat, children? What is the color of this cat? This cat is brown in color. But cats are in so many colors, like cats can be red, black, cat can be brown, it can be white. Okay, cats can be so many colors. So how will we write cat? K, C, K, a, t, cat. The initial sound of cat is k and the ending sound is t. K, a, t, cat. You will write it 2 times. K, initial sound is k and the ending sound is t. K, a, t, cat. Next, what is this, children? Which picture is this? This is a mat. Where do we use mats? When we want to sit at the floor, we put mat first and then we sit on the mat. Do you sit on the mat? Yes, we also have door mats near our door, right? So, how to write mat? The initial sound of mat is m and the ending sound is t. So, we will start with the sound m, that is m, a, t. That is mo at a mat. Mo at a mat. You have to write it 2 times. Next is, which picture is this? What is this, children? Cap. No, this is not a cap. This is hat. This is hat. So, do you have hat? No. Okay. So, how to write hat? H, A and T. The initial sound of hat is h and the ending sound is t. So, h at a hat. H a t hat. H at a hat. Oh, look at the next picture, children. What is this? A fat boy, right? How is the boy? He is fat. He is fat. Fat. F a t. Fat. F a t. Fat. The initial sound of fat is f and the ending sound is t. And the ending sound is t. So how will we write fat? F a t. Fat. F at a fat. Next is pat. We don't have the picture of pat, right? But what is pat, children? When you do something good and your parents and your teachers keep the hands on your shoulders and tap, that is called pat. That is called pat. When they get happy, they pat on you, right? P, a, t, pat. The initial sound of pat is p and the ending sound is t. P, a, t, pat. Here we don't have the picture of pat, so you will write pat 3 times. P, a, t, pat. P, a, t, pat. Next is sat. What is this, children? This is sat. S at sat. Sat is the past form of sit. You don't know that? That means when you sit in the past, that is called sat. Like, where did you sit in the morning? You sat on the bed. You sat on the chair. So, a, t, sat. S-A-T. S at sat. S a t sat. See, children, we have done this worksheet. You have to read these words, write nicely, and then you will get to learn the 3-letter words. It's a new thing for you, so do it nicely.